Okay guys, quick video on changing the battery in this old Hypertough meter I always use, and you can tell you need to change it when you get the little BAT symbol. Let's see if I can get that closer for you, right up there. So there's no real battery door for this. So there's a couple screws back here. They're just Phillips head. Just take those out real quick. And when you get the cover off, there's your battery. Pretty simple. Off with the old, in with the new. Tighten down your screws. Put your connections back in. Turn it on and your battery symbol is gone. That's it.